So you're about to take your short cycle assessment. You're going to take it on Blend, but you're also going to input your answers into DMAC. So in order to remember what your answers are while you're taking it on Blend, you're going to record your answers on a sheet of notebook paper. So make sure you have your sheet of notebook paper in front of you, and you're going to write the following information. Write name just to the right of the top of the pink line right here. Then put a colon mark, and you're going to write your name next to it. I'm going to fill this out pretending that I'm algebra. So if that was my name, I would write Al, and then Jabra. You are going to write your name next to name. Then you're going to write your birth date. So write birth date, a colon mark, and you're going to write your birth date. If I was algebra, my birth date would be March 14th, 2009. Please put the entire birth date with the year. You're going to need to have the month name, the date, and the year. You're also going to write your student ID number. You can write ID number. This is your district ID number. That's usually your lunch number. It's going to be 9 digits. No, actually 8 digits. It's going to be 8 digits long. So you write yours. I'm going to write algebra's. Okay, so write your student ID number. Also, something that's very, very important is the test ID. Everyone needs to write the exact same test ID, so please make sure you're writing exactly what I'm about to write, because you have to put this in to the DMAC system before you can put your answers. It's 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 1, 2. 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 1, 2. That is the test ID for this specific test, so make sure you have that number written down. It's going to be the same for everybody. And then on the top line, you can head this as short cycle assessment. Number 1. There are 12 questions, so you're going to number your paper 1 through 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you draw a line. So let me be clear. These lines are where you put the answers to your questions. If it's a multiple choice question, put the letter of your answer. If it's not a multiple choice question, if it says to write your answer in the chart and fill out the bubbles, or if it just says to write the number out, then just write the number. Make sure if it's a decimal number that you put the decimal in the right place. Make sure if it's a negative number that you include the negative sign as well. Underneath this line is where you can show all of your work. So I'm going to put a number 1 right there just to get ready. And when I read number 1, I'm going to show all my work for that question here, and then I'm going to put the answer up here. Then after I show all of my work, I'm going to write number 2. I'm going to show all my work for that here, and then put my answer here. And I'm going to use the back of this paper to show work as needed if I run out of room.